Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to stop selfie from flipping on your iPhone 17 Pro. Do your selfies look mirrored after you take them on your iPhone 17 Pro? That's all because the camera flips your image by default. So let me open my camera and I want to take a picture of my hand before I switch my settings. So as you can see, it's mirrored. And okay, so let's go to settings, and you have to scroll until you reach camera section, and here find option that says mirror front camera. So you want to toggle this on, and this ensures that your selfies are saved exactly as they appear in the preview before you make a photo without being flipped. So let's go back to camera, and I will take the same picture with the same hand, and you see that it's not mirrored. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.